My name is Jamie Lee Curtis. I'm a very proud Red Cross volunteer here today to talk about emergencies. Because emergencies happen every day, and you need to do more than cross your fingers to be prepared for them. So we're going to talk today about how do you build an emergency kit, what needs to be in it, where to get it, how to do it. Stick with me, get a pen and paper. 1 gallon per person per day is what is suggested. Food that isn't refrigerated. Protein bars, great. Breakfast bars and canned food, particularly canned food that has a pop top so you don't need a can opener. Easy to keep, flashlight, and batteries. Small scrapes, some bigger injuries. You want to have a good first aid kit to take care of your family. Hand sanitizer, bleach, really important for purifying water, and disinfecting wipes. Medicine, make sure that you have a 7-day supply for any person who's taking medicine. A radio, really important to stay informed during an emergency. Have copies of important documents, birth certificates, passports, insurance policies in your kit. See? It's easy to be ready. These are some of the items in an emergency kit. To get a full list, visit redcross.org/do more.